Take a look at this channel. It has millions of views and more than 200,000 subscribers. And the surprising part is that the channel has only around 40 videos, and it is just a few months old. Just look at the amount of views these videos are getting. So the real question is, how are videos like these actually created? Well, don't worry, you're in the right place. In the description, you'll find our free master prompt. This prompt is engineered in such a way that you can create videos with any animal, any location, or any concept you can imagine. Inside this prompt file, in part A, you'll first get concept creation. This means even if you don't have a video idea, the prompt will automatically generate multiple concepts for you. After that, using the same concept, we will create all the B-roll scenes for the video. And for that, you will also get the video prompts. So, you don't need to manually write anything. You can simply copy the prompt from the description and start using it. Now, open ChatGPT. For concept creation, copy the first prompt from the prompt file, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. As soon as you run it, ChatGPT will generate multiple ideas where different animals go on expeditions in different environments. Some ideas may be underwater, some in jungles, and others in completely different locations. You can select whichever idea you like the most. If you don't like any of them, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas. Or if you already have a concept in mind, you can type it directly. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for underwater expeditions. It will then create concepts based on the theme you provided. You can also mention specific objects or props that your animal should discover during the expedition. For example, the animal might discover something like an old car underwater, a lost treasure chest, or any interesting object you want to include in the story. Once you choose the idea you want, go back to the prompt file and copy prompt number 2. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it there. At the top of that prompt, you will see a section called Insert Title Here. Paste the title of the idea you selected along with the hashtags. Once you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate scene-by-scene B-roll prompts for the entire video. Now, we move to the video generation part. For video generation, we will use Grok AI because, as you know, on this channel we always focus on completely free video generation methods. However, if you want, you can also generate these videos using tools like Google Flow or Google VO. Now, copy the prompt for Scene 1 that ChatGPT generated. Then go to Grok AI and click on Imagine. Instead of selecting Image, choose Video. Next, select the aspect ratio. If you want to create shorts, choose 9:16. If you want to create longer videos where you combine multiple clips together, select 16:9. For this tutorial, I'll select the 9:16 ratio. Now, paste the prompt and click Run. After some time, your video will be generated. If you like the result, you can continue. If not, simply click Regenerate and try again. Sometimes AI may slightly change the scene or move the subject incorrectly. If that happens, you can regenerate again or slightly adjust the prompt. Once you generate a few versions, simply select the one that looks best to you. Now, after selecting the best clip, upscale the video. Once the upscaling is complete, click on the Extend Video option. Now, copy the prompt for Scene 2 and paste it below. Your video will now continue generating in extended mode. After the new scene is generated, upscale the video again. Then click Extend Video again and paste the prompt for Scene 3. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. In summary, by following this workflow for each scene, your complete video will be ready. If you want more free AI video creation methods like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.